Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now, open Discord and sign in. Once done, go directly to the server where you expect the bot. Make sure you have at least basic member access. If you need to inspect deeper features, enable developer mode in settings right arrow advanced. This lets you copy ID and view developer tags. You'll use these ID in the next steps to confirm the bot's identity and permissions, so don't skip this. Keep the app on desktop when possible. It exposes more inspection tools than mobile. Now you'll find and verify the bot. First, spot accounts labeled as bots. They show a small bot tag. Once found, right-click the name and copy ID. This numeric ID proves which account you're inspecting, and you'll compare it with invite links later. Then check roles and permissions to see what it can do. Look for administrator or manage messages access. Also confirm presence. Bots often have custom status or activity. These steps tell you who controls the bot and how powerful it is on your server. Finish by confirming and testing the bot. You should run a safe command like a ping or help to confirm it responds. Once done, compare the copied ID to the known invite or developer-provided ID to ensure authenticity. If the bot doesn't respond, make sure its role is above channel-specific roles and that channel permissions don't block send messages or read messages. Finally, check server audit logs or the bot's developer info. If issues persist, remove and re-invite the bot from the verified source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.